Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now, friend, we are going to our last topic, that is to test more than one sample, which is taken parametric from the parametric value. So I'm going to share the screen. For that, we will go for another example in our presentation. Now, friend, for more than one sample, we have an example. The data, for example, we have the data from any hospital. In that the data from that hospital, we have uh, table which represent the number of hours relief by uh, relief provided by 5 different brand of Hadis tablet administered to 25 subjects experiencing a fever 38 centigrade or more, performing the analysis of variation and test the hypothesis at 0.005 level of significance that the mean number of hours of relief provided by the tablet is the same for our brand. So we will check our data, this one, according to the this example, and this is an example of more than one or two variables. So for that, we have an example that compare more than two groups or variable, we use one ANOVA for normal population or for normal parametric distribution. For that, I have already typed the data. Just we will put, see how I am performing. Now there is another thing that we will check our value, and here is how we'll give the value. Click here, and for suppose I am removing this, uh, for brand 1 we have tablet A. So edit, then okay. Now you will see in data view that this brand A have 5 hours. Actually, I have removed the uh, decimals value to easily make easily understandable. So you can see brand A is 5 hour. Here you can say 5 hour 43, like this one. You can see that either value is okay. You can see here for brand 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, 1 for A, B for 2, C for 3, D for 4, and it is 5. 5 brand completed. Now, first of all, we will check its normal distribution. For that, we will go for to check the p-value. One way ANOVA, here is go and analyze comparative mean, and go to one way ANOVA, and you will go in option. Here you will click the homogeneity of variation test. Continue and okay. You can see the test of homogeneity of variation. There is a alpha or p value is greater than 6.98. So we will write this one, that p value is greater than alpha, therefore equal variance assumption may be assumed. Means this p value is greater than alpha, so we will assume it there is a variation found in our data. Now for that, we have placed the two hypotheses, null hypothesis, that uh, that a null hypothesis, that means all are equal, or there is only one, or there is an alternate that at least there is only at least one mean difference, or all mean are not equal. Okay. So for that, you can see there is a result that f significant value is 0.01, which is less than alpha. So we conclude that the rejection of null hypothesis based on the p value. Okay, p value is less than or equal to alpha, we will reject the null hypothesis. So p value if greater than, we are failed to reject the null hypothesis. Now we concluded that we can see the significant level is 0.001. That value, this one, 0.001, which is below or less than 0.05, and therefore there is a statistically significant difference in the band of mean overall. Now we will check, means there is significant difference between all the brands. Now we will check which one has more significant brand. So this is a great to know, but we do not know which one of brand is different. Luckily we can find by using the comparison the table which contains the result of post hot test. Now how we will perform this? Go to analyze comparative one way ANOVA. Again, sorry, one way ANOVA, and click here on post hoc. Okay, continue and okay. You will see a big table. I'm sorry. Analyze comparative. Analyze comparative. In option, I will just remove okay and post Turkey. Okay, I will use both of them. Now you will see that this is a postdoc Turkey t-test. You can see leave the big value just compared to this one B with C. Look, you can see there is 0.025. It is greater than 0.005, means there is a significant difference between this one, and you can see B and C 0.002. You can see in C can compare with C with B, there is again difference. Okay, and you can see D with C, D with D, there is a significant, there is not much more difference. You can see D with E, there is a significant difference. You can see E with any one, there is no much more difference with D and E. You can see check here. So you can check your result from this one, just leaving the big values. These is the 809. Just conclude this value 0.25. 0.25 means there is a significant value while comparing with B, C, and B and D. So you can check these values. Now I am just repeating this all ANOVA. You can check again. No, clicking on this for comparative mean plays one way ANOVA. Now click here. Again click here. Now our dependent variable is hour and our factor is brand. For analysis of variation of homogeneity, that we'll click here or go to option, and we will click the homogeneity variation test. Click on that, continue, and okay. You will find that there is a significant difference in the homogeneity, and there is a you can see p value is less than alpha, so there is a significant difference between these brands. For checking which is more different, you can click analyze one way ANOVA. Again go to analyze comparative mean one way ANOVA, and options. In postdoc you will check the key test, continue, and okay. You will see this type of table, and you will compare with B with C and D, and the result is in front of you. So if you will compare B with C, there is a more significant difference than B with D, and there is a less significant difference. C with B, again more significant difference, and D which B there is a bit less. So we concluded that there is a B and C have a more significant different. So in our question, you can also see that might be B and C there is a more significant different. It B contain higher value also. Okay, that's all about our SPSS presentation. Hope you will find this you for your help for you. This lecture will be helpful. Inshallah, in our next session, we will start another practice and test. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and join our WhatsApp group. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.